Here are today's biggest moves on the Indian stock market, analyzed straight from the exchange filings by flashfinance.news. 10 stories, ordered by market value from the largest company down, what changed, the key numbers, why it matters, and what to watch. Let's get into it. Story 1. Hindustan Aeronautics. HAL and Safran signed final contract for 3,500 to 4,000 SHP Alavali helicopter engine development. What changed? HAL and Safran have transitioned their partnership into a binding final contract with Safal to co-develop and manufacture the Aravali helicopter engine. The key numbers. Engine power class, 3,500 to 4,000 SHP. Target helicopter weight class, 13 ton, IMRH and DBMRH. Why it matters? Aeroengines represent a critical high-value technology bottleneck in Indian aerospace. Indigenizing the propulsion system for future heavy rotorcraft enhances HAL's long-term manufacturing and life cycle MRO revenue visibility. What to watch? Track subsequent milestones regarding R&D project timelines, prototype testing schedules, and formal government budget allocations for the 13-ton IMRH platform. Story 2. Adani Energy Solutions. AESL wins Rs 4,700 crore transmission project in Maharashtra for 4,500 megawatts re-evacuation. What changed? AESL secured the Satara transmission project, estimated capex Rs 4,700 crore, under SPV Satara Power Transmission Ltd. The key numbers. Project estimated capex, Rs 4,700 crore. Project capex versus TTM revenue, 15.4%. Evacuation capacity, up to 4,500 megawatts. Execution timeline, 36 months. Total transmission order book, Rs 85,000 crore. Why it matters? Expands AESL's transmission order book to Rs 85,000 crore and strengthens long-term regulated tariff annuity revenue visibility under the TBCB mechanism. What to watch? Track statutory SPV acquisition transfer timelines, financial closure, and execution milestones within the 36-month completion window. Story 3. Gabriel India. Gabriel India to acquire 30% stake in HL Clemove India for Rs 935 crore, $98.44 million. What changed? Gabriel India transitioned from conventional ride control and sunroof components into high-tech automotive electronics and ADAS via a 30% JV stake in HL Clemove India. The key numbers. Acquisition value, $98.44 million, Rs 935 crore. Acquisition value versus TTM revenue, 18.7%. Acquisition value versus net worth, 70.1%. Stake acquired, 30% less 1 share, 3 crore 78 lakhs 44,999 shares. HL Clemove 2025 revenue, KRW 1.8 trillion. Why it matters? Represents a major technological diversification into fast-growing EV and autonomous driving electronics, which carries higher content per vehicle potential and strengthens OEM partnerships. What to watch? Track funding mode, cash reserves versus debt intake given Rs 935 crore size versus Rs 1,333 crore net worth, and updates on closing timelines and OEM order book ramped up in upcoming quarterly disclosures. Story 4. MTR Technologies. MTR bags Rs 126.74 crore order from NPCIL for civil nuclear reactor refurbishment. What changed? MTR secured a fresh Rs 126.74 crore purchase order from NPCIL, pushing its nuclear vertical order book to a record high of over Rs 775 crore. The key numbers. Order value, Rs 126.74 crore. Order versus TTM revenue, tilde 11.7%. Total nuclear order book, Rs 775 CRS, execution deadline, 26 May 2028. Why it matters. Strengthens MTR's order book visibility, tilde 11.7% of TTM revenue, and diversifies revenue away from its primary reliance on fuel cell customers like Bloom Energy. What to watch? Track revenue recognition milestones and gross margin delivery from nuclear orders across upcoming quarterly earnings through May 2028. Story 5. Sammaan Capital. Sammaan Capital secures BWRAA long-term credit rating upgrade with stable outlook. What changed? Brickwork Ratings upgraded Sammaan Capital's long-term debt rating to BWRAA stable. The key numbers. Credit rating, BWRAA stable. IHC investment date, 31st March 2026. TTM revenue, Rs 8,511 crore. Why it matters? Achieving AA rating status significantly reduces cost of borrowing for an NBFC HFC, enhancing competitive pricing, margin profile, and wholesale funding access. What to watch? Monitor upcoming quarterly results to track reduction in average cost of funds, net interest margin, NIM, expansion, and pace of retail loan disbursements. Story 6. Park MediWorld. Park MediWorld wins PPP mandate for Rs 200 crore, 550-bed hospital in Prayagraj. What changed? Park MediWorld secured a 45-year PPP concession to develop and operate a new 550-bed greenfield hospital facility on a 3.22-acre site in Prayagraj. The key numbers. Bed capacity added, 550 beds. Estimated capex, tilde INR 200 crore. Government reimbursement, 76.52 crore rupees. Annual concession fee, 18.10 crore rupees, 3% escalation. Lease tenure, 45 years. Execution timeline, 2 years from appointed date. Why it matters? The project expands Park's presence in high-demand, underserved North Indian markets, taking its UP capacity to 1,260 beds while state reimbursement reduces initial capital risk. What to watch? Track the project's appointed date notification, milestone construction progress over the 24-month timeline, and details on working capital capex cash outflows and upcoming quarterly updates. Story 7. Gujarat Pipavav Port. GPPL receives comfort letter from Gujarat Maritime Board for concession period extension. What changed? GMB has initiated the formal processing of GPPL's concession extension by issuing a comfort letter requiring detailed business plans. The key numbers. Document submission deadline, 90 days. Announcement date, 26 August 2026. TTM revenue, Rs 1240 crore. Market cap, Rs 7,915 crore. Why it matters? Securing the concession extension removes long-term lease expiry overhang and enables GPPL to commit to future capex in liquid berth and container facilities. What to watch? Track the submission of the 90-day investment and business plan to GMB and subsequent announcements regarding final extension terms and tenure. Story 8. KPI Green Energy. KPI Green Energy energized record 630 plus megawatt DC capacity in June to August quarter. What changed? KPI Green Energy completed energization of over 630 megawatts DC capacity within a 3-month window across IPP and EPC segments. The key numbers. Quarterly capacity energized, 630 plus megawatt DC. Cumulative capacity through December 2024, 533 megawatts. Long-term capacity target by 2030, 10 plus GW. Why it matters? Demonstrates rapid execution acceleration, converting order book into operational generation for the IPP portfolio and revenue recognition for the EPC vertical. What to watch? Track IPP versus EPC revenue split and power generation annuity ramped up in upcoming Q to Q3 financial results to assess margin expansion and cash flow generation. Story 9. Gujarat Themis Biocin. Gujarat Themis Biocin opens QIP, sets floor price at Rs 372.57 per share. What changed? Gujarat Themis Biocin has officially launched its QIP equity fundraise with a floor price of Rs 372.57 per share. The key numbers. Floor price, Rs 372.57 per share. Share face value, Rs 1. Max permissible discount, 5%. Relevant date, 25th August 2026. Why it matters? The fundraise will bring fresh institutional equity capital to support the company's business plans, including its ongoing capacity expansion to 432 metric tons, accompanied by equity dilution for existing shareholders. What to watch? Track subsequent filings for the final issue price, total funds raised, and the list of institutional allottees upon QIP closure. Story 10. NITCO. NITCO signs MOU with HOEBL for 40-acre Aliboig project, eyes Rs 1,500 crore revenue over 5 years. What changed? NITCO entered into a joint development MOU with HOEBL to monetize 40 acres of Aliboig land. The key numbers. Expected NITCO revenue, 1,500 crores. Expected HOEBL revenue, Rs 3,000 crore. HOEBL construction capex, Rs 1,000 crores. Project land area, 40 acres. NITCO expected revenue versus TTM revenue, tilde to 95%. Execution horizon, 5 years. Why it matters? The Rs 1,500 crore projected revenue over 5 years represents nearly 3x NITCO's TTM revenue, Rs 508 crore, offering significant cash flow potential for balance sheet turnaround. What to watch? Track the execution of definitive agreements and statutory clearance milestones before factoring projected revenues into valuation models. That's today's market wrap. For the full AI analysis of every NSE and BSE filing, visit flashfinance.news. Like and subscribe for daily market updates. Educational analysis, not investment advice.